Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So guys, we are making this simple and trendy blouse. It's called triangle blouse. The shape is triangle shape, and we are going to use this small Ankara fabric to achieve this style. You can also use a bigger fabric to achieve yours if you have a bigger fabric. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment and give it a thumbs up. So guys, this is how to go about it. Keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can able to see the outcome of this style. So first I will spread my Ankara fabric. So I'll spread it and fold it in triangle form. You can see the way I folded it. So I will just turn it a bit in a triangle form. So after turning it, the first turning like this, we are going to also turn it again. You are going to see how I'm going to also turn it. I'm trying to place it well. So I'll also fold it. Look at the first folding. This is the first folding. So after this, then I'm trying to arrange it well. So I'll also fold it again. So let me turn it. You can see the shape now. You can see how the shape is. So I will fold it another one again, making it 2 times that we folded it. You can see how beautiful it is. So after folding it like this, so the next step is for us to take the length of our measurements of our triangle blouse. So that's what we are making today, and it's a very simple style to make. You can wear it out on your jean, on your skirt, and you're good to go. Very simple to make. So keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to see the outcome of this style that we are making today. So I'm trying to still arrange it. I want you to get this style when cutting your own. So remember, we folded it first and folded it again. So I'll take the length of my blouse. The length is 18 inch. Okay, so the length, I'm going by 18 inch for the length of my blouse. All right, so now is my neckline. I'm going by 4.5 inch. You can see 4.5 inch. That's what I'm going for my neckline. So I'll take the depth of my neckline. I'm going by 1.5 inch. All right, then I'll just curve my neckline. Okay, you can see how simple it is, and I want you to make yours after watching this tutorial to the end. All right, so I'll mark now. I'm going to mark 7.5 inch. Okay, from my shoulder to that point, I'm going to mark 7.5 inch. Okay, so that's 7.5 inch. That's where I'm going to run a stitch on it. That's where my armhole is going to come out from. Okay, I'll just take my curve ruler and mark it down, because I'm going to cut the excess of the fabric from it. Okay, you can see how simple it is. Remember, we took 7.5 inch from my shoulder to that point where I chalked 7.5 inch, and that's where we are going to run our stitch on to form our armhole. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe now. You can like, you can also comment, you can give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can also recommend this tutorial to more audience for them to also learn from it. So you can also watch my other tutorials that I have on my channel. All right, so I'll just cut my neckline. So after cutting it, don't forget we are going to use bias to turn our neckline, and you can get your bias from where they are selling tailoring materials. All right, okay, so you can see how it is. So I'll use my bias to turn my neckline to give that neat sewing on the neckline. So that's what I'm going to use to turn my neckline. So like I said, you can get it from where they are selling tailoring material. So I'm trying to show you guys that from your shoulder to where I marked is 7.5 inch, and that's where I'm going to run my stitch. I'll end my stitch there, and that's where my armhole will form out from. Okay, it's very simple style, and I believe you are enjoying this tutorial. So after watching it, I believe you can cut and sew your own. I hope you understand what we are doing today, and if you don't understand, please watch this tutorial again and you're going to understand. It's a very simple style to make. I'm using my pin to pin it down to show you guys that's where you should run your stitch after cutting, and after cutting it, so that's where you run your stitch on. Alright, so now is the outcome. I've used my bias to turn my neckline, and I've also ironed it out. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Please, you can check my other tutorial now.